Hi guys, and welcome to the channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it so very much. Welcome. My name is Aiden. I am so happy that you are here. My makeup's a little funky today, experimenting with some different things, and it didn't exactly turn out how I was hoping, but I'm trying to test things, so I'm leaving it because double tasking right now. Today I have a sample set. This is Scent-Organix. I got this in an Ulta order. They sent it as a free gift, and it gives you inside, we have, well, it didn't open very well, but there is 4 samples in here, and all of this line is available on Ulta.com, and they are all 50 mils are $50, and they're EDTs instead of EDPs. So just all of that information, if you were interested in that, thought I would give you that. So the 4 scents in here are Rise and Shine, which is tangerine and hibiscus, which sounds really nice. I Am Bright, which is juicy pineapple and salted coconut, also sounds amazing. I Am Radiant, Lily of the Valley and Jasmine Absolute, sounds pretty good. And So Serene, which is green tea and mandarin. That one probably sounds the least up my alley of them all. But we're going to start with So Serene. So this is the green tea and mandarin. And I have some little, these are the strips that I made from tearing up boxes. Trying to, reuse things. So I do get the mandarin. But it's not like a super juicy mandarin or a super juicy citrus scent. I don't get a lot of the green tea. I guess I kind of get that there's something tempering the citrus in here. I think this is a nice scent. I'm trying to think. It reminds me of something that I have smelled before, but I can't think of what it is off the top of my head. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, this is definitely something that I would wear. It's not a total loser off the bat. Sometimes there are scents that you just smell and you know that you would not want to ever wear them. This one is nice. I will wear it, and these all will show up in Sample Saturday videos eventually. This is all first impressions with this discovery set because I've been meaning to do this one for a while and just haven't gotten around to it. All right, let's do Rise and Shine next, which is tangerine and hibiscus. Oh, that just sounds so awesome. Oh, I really like this one. This one is a bright citrus, so you do get like that really sweet, bright citrus note. And you kind of get the hibiscus a little bit. I have a hard time describing hibiscus. It's not quite salty, but I get almost like that type of a note to it. I like this one. This is a great summer scent. This is one that I will definitely wear in the warmer weather. I think that one is a real winner. Then we have I Am Bright, which is juicy pineapple and salted coconut. I'm really excited for this one. I love pineapple, and pineapple coconut juice is like one of my favorite things. Growing up, that was what I always tried to get. There's a really good one by Knutson's. I think it's Knutson's. I think that's who makes it. This is one, I'm tasting it now. I shouldn't have been talking while the particles were floating through the air. I'm not getting the pineapple. It's not like a bright citrusy pineapple. And I know pineapple isn't a citrus, but you know what I mean. It's more salty, the coconut's pretty faint too. This is a really light scent. It's almost non-existent at this point, which is crazy. Spray a little bit more. Yeah, this one is so light. It's already disappearing, which is really disappointing. We'll see how it works on the skin, but so far this one is not one that I would recommend, which is really disappointing because that was the one I was most looking forward to probably. So the last one is I Am Radiant, Lily of the Valley, and Jasmine Absolute. Oh, this one's pretty. This one is florally. but not like an overwhelming floral in your face type of floral. It smells really kind of well-rounded, even though they're only listing 2 notes for all of these. Yeah, I really do like this one. I think it's really pretty. I think this would be a really good like spring, summer type, not summer, but like a spring type scent, I think. Yeah, this is a good one. I might actually end up wearing this today because I haven't put scent on quite yet. So if I was going to rank these by the most exciting or the best smelling to me, and I do really enjoy fruity floral fragrances, I would put the I Am Bright, the juicy pineapple and coconut in last place, just because it's non-existent so far. We'll see how it works, but that would be in last place. Then I probably put the So Serene, the green tea, and mandarin, just because it was nice, but it wasn't like exciting or anything that I feel like I would really reach for and get excited about wanting to wear it. Then I would do the I Am Radiant, the Lily of the Valley, and the Jasmine Absolute, because it's really pretty. It's different than anything else that I have. I can't think of any perfume that really smells like that. And then in first place, I would put the Rise and Shine Tangerine and Hibiscus, because it's really nice. There's just a really good balance in there. Yeah, that's my favorite. That's the one that I would probably be most likely to purchase. But honestly, I mean, if the pineapple one turns out to be good, I might purchase that one too. Like that's one that I would consider, and I'd also consider the Lily of the Valley and the Jasmine one. Probably the mandarin and green tea is the only one that I probably wouldn't purchase, because it's just, I'm not into that type of scent as much. So that's it. Just quick first impressions. Not a lot in this collection, but let us know down below if you have tried any of these, what your opinions are. Let us know how long they last too, because that's something that I have no idea about quite yet. Like I said, I will be putting all of these in my sample Saturday. I'll try to get those out in the next month or so. I'll try to test all of these and really give you an idea in that about the longevity. I hope you are all having a fantastic week. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I can't wait to talk to you next time. Bye.